Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss biology NEET course. So what is our next concept? So today's concept is microorganisms, friend and foe. So how microorganisms will influence or will be affected for the humans. So here first one, what is that? First bit, we'll see multiple choice questions and frequently asked questions. First one, the biological agent that dead agent with dead or weakened but alive microorganisms of a disease is called. First one, antibiotic, vinegar and vaccine and fermented products. So we know that is vaccine is a biological agent that contains dead or weakened but alive microorganisms of a disease to prevent the cause of particular disease. So like smallpox, typhoid, hepatitis, rabies, polio. So like the diseases, we're going to take the vaccine. Option C. Next one. Which of the following commercial products are produced yeast fermentation? So from yeast fermentation, which type of alcohol usually? So yeast fermentation will get alcohol. So here whiskey, wine, beer, all. So you can select all. So all will be produced. Commercial products are produced yeast fermentation. Alcohol and vinegar are produced by. So alcohol is produced by yeast and vinegar is produced by. We have to know. So what is vinegar? When it is formed. So yeast, acetobacter and bacteria fungus, blue-green algae and rhizobium, bacteria and protozoans. So yeast and acetobacter. So what is that? First option. So how vinegar it is formed means yeast is alcohol when it is produced, fermentation type. Then acetobacter converts alcohol. Acetobacter converts alcohol into acetic acid. Acetic acid. So that is acetic acid is known as vinegar. So that is the concept. Acetic acid. So acetobacter is converted. Next, fourth one. Match the following. Louis Pasteur and Edward Jenner, Alexander Fleming and Leeuwenhoek. So Louis Pasteur, we know that is Louis Pasteur is founded the, so he invented or he done the practicals on fermentation. So yeast, D. Next one. So fourth bit, next one. Edward Jenner is vaccine. So he founded vaccine for smallpox. So vaccine for smallpox. Then Edward Jenner. Alexander Fleming, he invented that antibiotic. So what is antibiotic? So antibiotic which will not able to kill the microorganisms, disease one, that one where it is vaccine can kill. But antibiotics is will give the some fungus penicillin. So you can take it as fungus penicillin, and antibiotics contain synthesized from fungi and bacteria. Fungi and bacteria. So that is the case. So after getting any disease, we will give the antibiotics from the doctor. Then Leeuwenhoek. Leeuwenhoek is related to bacteria. So that is the option DBCA. Then another match the following. Nitrogen fixation, decomposition, immunization, fermentation. So right side we are getting vaccine, alcohol, soil fertility and clean environment. So nitrogen fixation will be related to soil fertility, and immunization, we will get immunity by taking of vaccine. Fermentation, alcohol preparation. Then what is that? Decomposition is clean environment. So what you can get it here, answer is fifth one, A. So nitrogen C and D second one and CD AB. So this is option A. You can get like this. Next one. So what is next one here is sixth one. Match the following. So match the following is the sixth one. Here also you can get it as penicillin and streptomycin, polio vaccines and dead organisms, wine. So this side, immunity, fermentation, antibiotics and decomposition. So here penicillin and streptomycin is what? Antibiotics or whatever. Antibiotics. So you can take sixth one as option. So here penicillin and this one C, antibiotics. Next, polio vaccine. So vaccines will be give the immunity to the body. So that is vaccine means immunity. Next, dead organisms means decomposition. So after dead organisms, so it will undergo decomposition. Next, wine means, so wine will be prepared from fermentation process. That is option C. Next one, match the following again. Yellapragada Subbarao and Jonas Salk National Health Program, Pulse Polio Program. So seventh one, we know that is this side vaccine given free of cost, oral polio vaccine and ariomycin. So we know that is Yellapragada Subbarao, seventh one, he is that. First one is ariomycin. Jonas Salk is polio vaccine. He took the polio vaccine, so he invented. Then National Health Program is, so it will give vaccine given free of cost, so it won't cost anything. And Pulse Polio Program is oral polio vaccine. So that is option A. A biological substance that prevents the growth or kills disease causing microorganisms is called. So eighth one. So what is that? Eighth one here is antibiotics. So biological substance that prevents the growth or kills disease causing microorganisms is called antibiotics. So we know that is one. Which of the following products are commercially produced in large scale? Wine, beer, whiskey, antibiotics, vaccines, all the above. So all the above will be produced commercially at large scales. Antibiotics, vaccines, wine, beer, whiskey, everything. Next one. Antibiotics are not effective against dash disease. So we know that is antibiotics is not effective at viruses. It will be some microorganisms other than virus. So some it will microorganisms it will kill, but it is not that much effect with the viral diseases. So not effective. Option D. Next, 11th one, a medical store owner is giving antibiotics. So what you can say, a medical store owner is giving antibiotics to his customer who is suffering with bacterial infection without a doctor prescription. Is it correct way? No, it's not correct way. So you need to take some prescription from the doctor, then only you can give. Radha is suffering from bacterial infection. Doctor prescribed antibiotics for 5 days. After 3 days of usage, she stopped taking antibiotics. Is it right way? 12th one, it is no. She need to take up to 5 days. Next one, 13th one, the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen. So what you can write here is the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds by soil bacteria and ribosome bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria and blue-green algae is called nitrogen fixation, decomposition, immunization, vaccination. So vaccination, that is nitrogen fixation, then only it will be good. Then next one, 14th one, let's take 14th one. Vaccine develops dash in the human body upon vaccination. Antigens, antibodies, immunity and both B and C. So vaccine develops immunity and antibodies both. So that is option D. So this is the option D, both B and C. The following diagram. So what is that? Following diagram will be. So this is the diagram for this 15th one. So nitrogen. So this one is a 15th one for this diagram. The following diagram can imply root nodules of legume plants. So these are the root nodules, legume plants, and nitrogen fixation. So nitrogen is transferred to the earth, that is roots level. Then it is, I already told, nitrogen to the conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds to increase the soil fertility, and nitrogen fixation is happened, increasing soil fertility by rhizobium bacteria. This is rhizobium bacteria. So all. So you can take option all. Next one. What is that? So this is the next figure for 16th one. So 16th one is the baby in the following figure is suffering from. So this is the figure. So already it's already on face everywhere. It is like pimples, red pimples, smallpox, malaria, measles and mumps. So we know that is smallpox. So what you can say, this is smallpox. Next one, statement 17th. If there are no microorganisms, Earth will remain with wastes. We'll see. Next one. Next statement is B. Stagnation of sewage in our surrounding is harmful to our Earth. So stagnation of sewage in our surroundings. Yes, harmful to Earth. Both statements are correct. 17th one. Yes. Both statements are correct. Why? Because so if there is no microorganism, Earth will remain with the waste. Why? Because there is no decomposers, there is no increasing of soil fertility, everything. Both are correct. Antibiotics are taken on the advice of doc, full course as prescribed by doctor, proper dose as advised by doctor, all the above. So we know that is all the above, everything. If there were no decomposers in the soil, what will happen? Dead bodies would remain, nutrient cycling is stopped, environment will be dirty, everything. So all possibilities will be happen. So dead bodies will be remains, it will be remain, and nutrient cycling is also stopped. Next one, the organisms in the figure. So the organisms in the figure, so what is that here? So these are the organisms. Let's take, this is the figure for this 28th. So rhizobium. So what is that here? Rhizobium. These are all root nodules. So figure, increase soil fertility. Yes, this bacteria will increase soil fertility. And B helps in nitrogen fixation. Yes, it is nitrogen. It will help in. Then increase agricultural production. Yes, if fertility, soil fertility will increase, agriculture will also increase. So all the above. Let's consider 20th one. Next one. Children throughout the world are protected from diseases like tuberculosis, chickenpox, measles and mumps, polio. The protected is availability of antibiotics, vaccination, pathogens became weak and none. So 21, we know that is vaccination. So throughout the world vaccination is happening. So for that children are relief from or this type of diseases. So for that only government will take action. They will give the vaccine before getting into the actual disease. Next one, 22. In public health centers and hospitals, wall posters, banners are used to educate people on clean surroundings, toilets and drink protected water. This one, to protect from communicable diseases, increase average income. No, there is no need of increasing average income, is not related. Create awareness on public health and disease. So both A and C. The option is both A and C. Next one, 23rd. Statement, first statement. Biofertilizers are microorganisms that don't have any nutrients but prepare nutrients by using raw materials from environment and release them into the soil. Exactly. Then decomposition of dead bodies, animals, waste, recycle nutrients, clean up the environment, maintain good landscape. Exactly. Decomposition of dead bodies, everything. Then it will clean the, what is the diet matter. So 23rd, we know that is both 1 and 2 are correct. Next one. Fermentation is a type of anaerobic respiration where oxygen is not used. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are end products. Exactly. There is no uses of oxygen, but carbon dioxide and alcohol are the end products from fermentation, yeast, making of bread, wine, alcohol, whatever it is, cake and all. By using microorganisms, alcoholic products, antibiotics and vaccines are not produced in large scale. No, by using of microorganisms, we will produce fungi, bacteria will be synthesized in the production of antibiotics and vaccine also. So microorganisms are definitely will be used at the large scale. They're telling that not produce, they will produce. So first statement is correct, Second statement is wrong. So first is correct. For that you can take first one only correct. Second one is wrong. So if you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.